Okay, so this one is the DJI Mic Mini. I thought this could be enough for me. It does comes with two transmitters and one receiver, and the case. And the case allows you to recharge these, for a few extra hours, a couple of times, I think. I don't really remember. So I think this says about the mics, the mini ones, like how much they weigh. Let's open it and then we'll see. Okay. Comes in kind of a cushioned bag. What else is there? Okay, so this I'm hoping is the manual or maybe the warranty card. Kind of tore it. Okay. Okay, bring the memory card. I did order one memory card, like 256 gigs, that I intend to use with this one. This is a quick start guide. I think I'll need it to connect, and this one safety guidelines, blah blah blah. So let's see the product first, and then we'll go through the other things. This is going to be used ever again, the way it's ripping off. Okay, so a tag. Oh, so this is really small, as you can see. It kind of fits in my palm perfectly. This is a very small packaging, and I'm curious how would it be. Okay, so this, okay, so I think this is the connector cable, probably, that you would need to connect to the receiver with your camera or whatever equipment you are using to record. And this is a USB-C to A, so that's there. And this one, oh yeah, the wind protection, so your voice is much clearer. Okay, let me open this. Oh, it's kind of rugged. Okay, press to unlock, and this kind of unlocks it. Can remove the sticker, and I see things blinking. This is the receiver, these two are the transmitters. I do see that there is this guy. I think this connects to your mobile phone, and then these are the mini transmitters that you attach to yourself, I think. Kind of is how you would attach it. Okay, and so this goes in like that. That's the charging bit. Okay, I think you can see it, right? So that goes in there. And this right here is the receiver that you would need to attach if you want a clearer voice. I think it works with Bluetooth normally, but if you do want, then you can use this thing in pair with your camera or other equipment to record yourself. So that's the box, and this is really lightweight and easy to carry. This can fit anywhere. It comes in with a really handy box. There is this humidity protection silicone gel. Yeah, that's about it. Thanks. So before I go, a couple of things. So this here shows that that's how probably you charge it. So this cable, if I can get it unplugged, that would be the way to charge the box. And then if you open it here, you can see this bit, and it, I thought it was part of the clip, but kind of moved, and that's when I remembered that it comes with a magnet, so that you can stick it, like keep the magnet outside your shirt and then maybe hide the mic or within your collar flap. So this would come in handy, and this seems like easy to lose, but I hope not. Okay, let me connect it to my cell phone and try and record it some voice. So maybe the next part of the video could be with the mic. I have a OnePlus 7T, and this doesn't connect. Even if you connect the receiver to the phone via USB and grab audio from the mic while recording a video, it doesn't really do that. So the solution is you have to download the Open Camera app. So let me use the Open Camera app, and I'll show you what we need to do on the how to set up the mic. So I'm going to use 1 bit and the receiver. So this comes off like here, and then you have a USB that will connect to your phone, and this, as you can see, it has the arrow, and you see 3 kind of pins you have to align, and then kind of fit it like this way. Okay, now I'm going to stop the video and re-record again, and this time it will be from the mic. So the receiver bit is connected to my phone. Close this one for now. This is the transmitting bit, and right now it is a little bit distant from my hand, so it may sound different, but if I move it close to my mouth, so let's see how it sounds. So this is me having the mic really close to my mouth, and now I'm trying to attach it to my shirt so that it can grab the video. And you can do it with the other one, with to other person, and then using the Open Camera app if you have a OnePlus, older model of OnePlus phone like I have. So this is how you do it. This is the receiving bit. You can kind of detach it. Which way to go? Okay, this is the way. You can detach it, and then the case here will go in here, USB, and the receiver, it has to go to its charging dock, which is here and right there, and then the transmitter bit. So this one has, where did it go? This is the charging bit, and it goes in like that. So that's how it works. If you have an older phone and if your camera stock camera is not recording the audio, the reason is that it simply doesn't work like that. You have to download the Open Camera app, and without any purchases, it's free on App Store. And if you record via the Open Camera app, then it can record your audio while grabbing the video, and it comes in handy. And you have to do a couple of settings on the Open Camera app. You just have to go to the audio settings and just select, like, if external mic is present, grab through external mic, and that's how you do it. Cool. Thank you. Bye bye. Hope this helps.